A Bridge to Canadian Soil, introducing the Agri Food Pilot Program 2025. This initiative is designed to address the growing need for skilled labor in Canada's agricultural sector. Written by Margaret Atwood, Payback Debt and the Shadow Side of Wealth. This book highlights the intricate balance of giving and receiving, a concept that resonates deeply with the principles of this program. The Canadian landscape is vast, stretching from coast to coast with fertile fields and rich farmlands. Its fields and farms are a testament to hard work, dedication, and the spirit of community that binds us all. This land requires dedicated individuals to cultivate its bounty, ensuring that the food supply chain remains robust and sustainable. The Canada Agri-Food Pilot Program 2025 recognizes this need and aims to fill the gap with skilled workers from around the globe. It extends a welcoming hand to skilled workers worldwide, offering them an opportunity to contribute to Canada's agricultural success. This program is a beacon of opportunity, guiding skilled laborers to a new life in Canada. It offers a pathway to permanent residency, allowing workers to build a future in Canada. It focuses on non-seasonal workers in the agriculture and food industries, ensuring year-round support for these critical sectors. These are the individuals who form the backbone of Canada's food supply chain, working tirelessly to keep our tables filled. The Agri-Food Pilot Program 2025 is more than just a work permit. It's a comprehensive initiative designed to integrate skilled workers into Canadian society. It's an invitation to build a life in Canada, offering stability and a sense of belonging. It allows applicants to bring their families, ensuring that they can start a new chapter of their lives together. It offers a chance to integrate into the Canadian mosaic, celebrating diversity and fostering a sense of community. This program is about securing the future, not just for the workers but for the entire agricultural sector. It ensures a steady flow of skilled labor for Canada's vital agricultural sector, supporting growth and innovation. It's a win-win situation for both newcomers and Canada, fostering mutual growth and prosperity. Your application journey. Navigating the pathway to permanent residency. The journey begins with an application. It's a detailed process, but a manageable one. The program's website provides a comprehensive guide. It outlines each step clearly. Applications for the 2025 program open later this year. The program has a cap of 1,010 applicants. This ensures each application receives proper attention. Don't be discouraged by the competitive nature. Thorough preparation is key. Gather all required documents beforehand. This streamlines the process and avoids delays. Remember, this isn't just paperwork. It's the first step towards a life-changing opportunity. Approach it with the seriousness it deserves. From farm to fork industries embraced by the Agri-Food Pilot Program. This initiative is designed to support a wide range of sectors within the agri-food industry, ensuring that every step from cultivation to consumption is covered. The Agri-Food Pilot Program 2025 casts a wide net, aiming to bolster the entire food supply chain. From the fields where crops are grown to the factories where food is processed, this program is comprehensive in its scope. It encompasses various roles within the agriculture and food industries, recognizing the importance of each job in maintaining a robust food system. Whether it's planting seeds or packaging products, every role is vital. This reflects the program's commitment to supporting the entire food production chain. By addressing every stage from initial planting to final packaging, the program ensures a seamless and efficient process. Meat processing is a key industry within the program. This sector is crucial for providing high-quality protein sources to consumers. Skilled butchers and meat packers are in high demand. Their expertise ensures that meat products are prepared safely and efficiently, meeting the highest standards of quality. Their expertise ensures the safe and efficient processing of meat products. This not only guarantees food safety, but also enhances consumer trust in the products they purchase. The program also recognizes the importance of mushroom and greenhouse production. These sectors are essential for diversifying the food supply and providing fresh produce year-round. These sectors require specialized knowledge and skills. Workers in these areas must be adept at managing controlled environments to ensure optimal growth conditions. Workers in these areas contribute to Canada's year-round food supply. Their efforts ensure that fresh, nutritious produce is available regardless of the season. Dairy and poultry farming are also integral to the program. These industries provide essential nutrients and are a staple in many diets. Experienced farm workers are essential for maintaining Canada's high standards. Their dedication ensures that animals are well cared for and that production processes are efficient. These standards prioritize animal welfare and food safety. By adhering to strict guidelines, the program helps maintain consumer confidence and supports sustainable farming practices. Eligibility unveiled, meeting the criteria for a new life. The Agri Food Pilot Program 2025 has specific eligibility requirements. These requirements are designed to ensure that applicants are not only capable of contributing to the Canadian economy but also able to integrate smoothly into Canadian society. These criteria ensure applicants are well positioned for success in Canada. They help in selecting individuals who are likely to thrive and make meaningful contributions to their new communities. A valid job offer is paramount. This job offer must be from a recognized Canadian employer in the agri-food sector, ensuring that the applicant's skills are in demand. This demonstrates a genuine need for the applicant's skills. It also shows that the employer is committed to supporting the applicant's transition to Canada. It also provides a stable foundation for their new life in Canada. Education plays a role. A solid educational background helps applicants adapt to new agricultural technologies and practices. A high school diploma is the minimum requirement. This ensures that all applicants have a basic level of education. However, higher education in a related field strengthens an application. Advanced degrees or specialized training can make an applicant more competitive and better prepared for the challenges ahead. Language proficiency is crucial. Applicants must prove their ability in English or French. This is essential for effective communication in both the workplace and the community. This ensures seamless communication in the workplace and community. Being able to speak one of Canada's official languages helps in building relationships and accessing services. Finally, proof of settlement funds is necessary. This financial requirement ensures that applicants can support themselves and their families during the initial period of settling in Canada. This demonstrates the applicant's financial preparedness. It shows that they have the resources to cover living expenses until they become self-sufficient. It assures they can support themselves and their families upon arrival. Meeting these criteria is the first step towards building a successful and fulfilling new life in Canada. Past triumphs, future promises, success stories of agri-food professionals. The Agri-Food Pilot Program is relatively new. It was first launched in 2020 as a 3-year pilot project, yet it has already yielded impressive results. Since its inception, the program has welcomed thousands of skilled workers. These individuals have filled critical labor gaps in the agri-food sector. They have become valuable members of Canadian communities. The program boasts a high retention rate. This indicates that newcomers are finding stability and satisfaction in their new lives. It's a testament to the program's effectiveness. The success stories are plentiful. Families reunited, new skills learned, dreams realized. The Agri-Food Pilot Program is changing lives for the better. Securing a future benefits for applicants and Canada's agricultural landscape. The Agri-Food Pilot Program 2025 offers a multitude of benefits. For applicants, it's a chance to build a brighter future. For Canada, it's a way to strengthen a vital economic sector. Applicants gain access to Canada's renowned quality of life. This includes universal health care, high-quality education, and a safe and inclusive society. The program provides a clear pathway to permanent residency. This removes the uncertainty often associated with temporary work permits. It allows newcomers to put down roots and invest in their future. For Canada, the program ensures the long-term sustainability of its agricultural sector. It addresses labor shortages and supports economic growth in rural communities. A helping hand, resources and support for aspiring Canadians. Navigating the immigration process can be daunting. That's why the Canadian government provides a wealth of resources for potential applicants. The Government of Canada website offers comprehensive information on the Agri-Food Pilot Program. It details eligibility criteria, application procedures, and settlement services. Several organizations offer free immigration consultations. These consultations provide personalized guidance and support throughout the application process. Don't hesitate to seek assistance. There are dedicated professionals ready to help you navigate this journey and turn your Canadian dream into a reality. Beyond the horizon, long-term impact and sustainability. The Agri-Food Pilot Program, 2025 is not just a short-term solution, it represents a long-term vision for the future of Canada's agricultural sector. By attracting and retaining skilled workers, the program ensures the continued growth and prosperity of this vital industry. The program's focus on integration is key. It's not just about filling job vacancies, it's about welcoming newcomers into the fabric of Canadian society. This fosters diverse and thriving communities. The program's success will be measured by the contributions of its participants. As newcomers build their lives in Canada, they enrich the cultural tapestry and contribute to the nation's economic success. Seizing the opportunity, your chance to cultivate a future in Canada. The Canada Agri-Food Pilot Program 2025 presents a unique opportunity. It's a chance to live, work, and thrive in one of the world's most welcoming countries. It's a chance to contribute to a vital industry and build a brighter future for yourself and your family. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Research the program thoroughly. Assess your eligibility. If you meet the criteria, take the leap and submit your application. The path to permanent residency may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. With hard work, determination, and a bit of luck, you can cultivate a fulfilling life in Canada through the Agri-Food Pilot Program 2025. Please like, comment, press the notification bell, and subscribe for more interesting videos and content.